Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to IDN Podcast. I am M. Ryan Ayuna from 11th grade RPR. Today's topic is overseas program. But before we talk about that, let's welcome our special guest, my teacher, Mr. Ben.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hello Rehan, how are you?
Hello. I'm good. And you?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay.
So what are we going to talk?
We are going to talk about overseas program.
Okay. So do you have plan for study abroad or working abroad or maybe just living abroad maybe?
If we are talking about study abroad, maybe I have some, you know,
Like what?
uh, the like uh,
What is it?
beasiswa,
Scholarship.
yeah, scholarship to other countries, but I mean just one specific.
Which country that you plan to go?
Japan.
Japan. Okay.
Yeah.
Why Japan is your choice?
Because they are very advanced in technology, rather than Indonesian, yeah.
Of course, yeah.
Yes, that's why I choose Japan.
Hmm.
And actually
Hmm?
Japan is kind of cold country, so I think it's yes, yeah, good for me.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you have any other plan other than Japan, maybe?
No, just Japan.
Just Japan. Okay. How about working? Do you have any plan for working abroad, or which country that you want to apply for a job?
If outside country, yeah,
Yeah.
still Japan.
So Japan.
Yes, still Japan.
Hmm.
Maybe I will find a job that position as backend developer.
Okay. So what is your preparation to study abroad in Japan and then working in Japan?
For study abroad,
Hmm.
I need to prepare so many things.
Okay. Like what?
Like first to learn their language, yeah.
Of course, yeah.
Getting like the TOEFL or IELTS.
IELTS.
Yeah. And then prepare my score. Yes.
Of course.
And many things.
Have you joined something like course or any program to go there?
For course, I think just online, yeah, online learning online,
On course.
like Duolingo.
Okay.
But actually, I want to try to go to Pare.
Oh.
The Japanese one.
Oh, there is a Japanese language course
Yes.
over there.
Yes.
In Pare, not only English, right?
Not only English.
Okay,
I want
see.
to try that too, I think.
Yeah, of course,
Yeah.
that's good. Okay. So, how about living abroad? Do you have plan of living in other country than Indonesia?
Maybe.
Where is it? Is it also Japan?
Yes, also Japan.
Oh, you are very, very excited go to Japan, right?
Yes.
Why? Why you want to live there?
Because the weather is in Japan is cold, not like in Indonesian. It's pretty hot.
If you just want about the weather, you can go to mountain like in the end. It's also
No,
cold.
no.
Huh?
The mountain is only one place.
In Japan,
Japan is
The
there's
whole
so
place.
many.
How many season do you they have? You know,
I forgot.
so you will go there. Then you have to know the culture
Yes.
and then the seasons and anything about Japan, right? So what do you know about Japan? Let me know.
Many, Lester, many.
Yeah, like what?
Many. Specific.
Yeah. For example, the culture. What is the most well-known culture in Japan?
Well known.
Yeah, famous
The famous one. About seasons.
about culture,
About
their
culture.
culture.
There's so many, sir. I don't know which one.
How about yeah, maybe the small thing like what is it, the culture that
They
we never see in Indonesia?
they are what you say uh hard worker.
Hard
They are hard worker.
worker, and then
They love to read many books,
mm,
and then they what discipline, yeah,
we are
discipline.
disciplined.
Yeah,
Okay.
very discipline about time and many things.
Mm.
And in work, they even when the workers work like late night,
Mm.
they like work hard, yeah, they can get like free time for taking a nap.
Oh, really?
Just yes,
Mm.
just like for refreshing, something like that in Japan, because
How? Oh,
they
yeah.
like to respect their work.
Okay, that's good. How about we are Muslim, right? So what
Hmm.
do you think in Japan if you living there? So how about praying over there and then the Muslim community over there and the environment of Muslim over there? What do you think? Do you know about that?
I've heard some wait, yeah, some stories about my friend there, or I found from some article, I forgot. uh in there there is masjid,
Mosque.
there's mosque,
Hmm.
but in Indonesian we usually asan using the microphone, outside microphone, yeah.
Yeah.
But in Japan they they are not using the outside microphone, but just the inside, because
Mm.
there's the rules for it.
Okay.
But they still let us pray in the mosque, yeah.
Oh, that's yeah. That's but how about how many percent Muslim people in Japan? Do you know
No,
the
I don't know.
percentage?
I don't know.
No, you don't know. So talking about study abroad, which university in Japan that you want to enter?
If it's university, I still don't know, because the scholarship is could be this university, that university, or that university. So it could be any of that,
Hmm.
the university in
So
Japan.
you don't have any plan from now
For
for entering
now,
which university that you want to choose?
no. Yeah,
Hmm.
for which one the university. But for the scholarship, I will try to take all that is what cocok.
The fit.
Yeah, that fits me.
Hmm. Okay. So do you think that why they have to accept you for the scholarship? What is your motivation to study in Japan?
Maybe I will uh, target for the what I can do,
Hmm.
like in this school. My major is programming, yeah.
Yeah, RPL.
Yeah, I will what why they need to what
Accept.
accept me, because I really love programming. I
Hmm.
wanted to learn many things about the development world, yeah, development world in programming, such as like web or Android or even iOS, the technology there
Hmm.
that I'm interested in.
Okay. So what do you want to achieve when you are accepted in what university? What do you want to achieve over there after you are accepted?
uh, First of all, of course, the degree, yeah.
The degree.
First degree.
And then
Second, of course lah, new friends lah.
friends.
Yes,
Oh,
new
connection.
friends, connection.
Okay.
The third is the most important one that we must not forget, learn.
Mm.
Nah,
To the knowledge.
yeah.
Okay, I see. So, Japan, but I think it's quite expensive, right? The living cost over there in Japan. I think,
Yes.
yeah. So, what do you think about that? How can you afford the living cost in Japan? Because we know that it's not cheap over there if we live there?
I think if we are talking about that, I'm still thinking about it
Mm.
right now, yeah. So for now, still planning.
Still plan.
Mm.
You have to think very, very carefully because
Yes,
yeah,
because we
It's-
are living in other country.
yeah, other countries. How about in Indonesia? Do you have any plan working or study in Indonesia?
For
Study
studying, yeah.
or
For work,
working? Mm.
I haven't think of anything.
Mm.
But for study, maybe, yeah, if not to Japan, could
Mm.
be Universitas Indonesia or
UI,
ITB.
ITB.
ITB, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, maybe.
So you will enter that.
Yes.
So what is preparation for you to go to ITB? Since we never learn about like other school, right?
For actually, for now, yeah, I haven't done any research for the university in Indonesia.
Mm.
Just Japan.
So because you are focusing on that.
Yeah, and that one.
Mm-mm. So
But at least I know, like ITB, UI, they have like the major that I am interested in.
what is it?
What name? Science.
Computer science.
Yeah, computer science.
Oh, okay. So do you have any plan maybe for study in like Eastern, Middle East,
Middle
East like it's like Saudi and then Turkey. Yeah,
For
Cairo.
Middle East, no,
No,
I don't.
you don't interest you. Why? Because most of some of your friends they are interested in joining in OIM like yeah, and then like in Turkey, some of them.
Mm, yes, I think, yeah, some of my friends are interested in the like UM or something, yeah. But I'm not interested because like, yeah, how to say, yeah,
What is it?
I'm not really good with the Arabic language. Yes.
That's the problem.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Okay, I see.
Just for Japan, I need like to focus very dedicate myself to learn it, because for now, like, I still forgot some of the alphabet or words, yeah. So it really needs time.
So talking about Japan, I've watched something very interesting.
What?
There is the one who work in Alfamart, yeah, the cashier,
The girl.
yeah, the girl, and then he just can learn Japanese language only by watching anime. So what do you think about that?
I think it's possible, sir.
It's possible.
Yes, possible.
Yeah.
But I don't know, yeah, I don't know how often he was, sir. Yes.
Yeah, but yeah, you can also like that, do like that. So it's depend. You can do.
It depends, sir, because
Uh,
for like now, yeah, I learn by reading and writing too,
mm,
and maybe sometimes I listen to in Duolingo, or if in the class I use Duolingo. If in the dormitory I use my
Dictionary.
dictionary books.
mm,
Yeah, Japan dictionary book.
you have dictionary in Japan.
Yes, I use that, but
Mm.
and sometimes if I watch anime, I can like, there's like one kalimat, one
Sentence.
sentence that I understand sometimes.
Mm. So maybe you can find in like another platform the friends from the native person from Japan, right?
Yeah,
So they
maybe.
can you can communicate with them. So it will increase your.
I actually want to
You
try
have-
that, but because I mean in the end, so I have no time.
Yeah. Maybe if you already outside, right? In
Yes.
12th grade.
Uh-uh.
What about your plan for internship? You have any?
Mm, for now I don't have, but I only have my backup
What is it?
in Sumedang, where my brother
Work.
there too. Yeah. Work too.
Oh, but it's different major, right? Your
Oh.
brother is in TKJ.
He's in TKJ, but in the what
Company.
company they need
Software.
software too, and they've been pushing my brother to learn it too.
Oh.
Yes, so I wanted to help him.
So your brother being asked for the software engineer also.
Yes,
Hmm.
I kinda what ya, he tried to ask me to teach him Laravel, like
Hmm.
I asked for what. Yeah.
Hmm.
The company asked him to do it, so
Hmm.
he can be like he can do this and that.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
that's good. So how they get how did they get the job? Your brother in Sumedang. How did he get it?
How he get it, I don't know, but before
He just
like
apply.
maybe yeah, but in the beginning
Hmm.
I only know that he applied it with someone, his friend.
Hmm.
Yeah, so he kontrak.
Rent. Rent.
Yeah, he ran a house near the place where he worked
Hmm.
with his friend, so the rent is divided. Yeah, so if I'm not wrong, it was brother roughly the name.
Roughly.
Yes.
I see.
But he already stopped, so my big brother is just working alone there.
Oh, the his friend is quit.
Yeah, his friend quit.
And you will join also with your brother after this, after you graduate or you after internship, before you graduate.
Maybe if in terms of I try to apply first to other, yeah. So that is just my backup.
Oh, just backup. So if you have
Maybe
already
sometime
option.
I will help him something like that.
Okay.
It's option B.
Yeah, of course. So what is your plan for this holiday? Maybe.
This holiday.
Yeah, this holiday. Going abroad maybe.
No.
So what is it?
The holiday next week, yeah.
Yeah. This, on Monday we already have our holiday.
For this holiday, I have some tasks to do.
What is like what?
Finishing my Ujicom.
Mm,
It's the development starts when holiday. It's me and Raji.
you and Raji.
And then second, I'm going to try to finish my decoding course, AWS backend.
Mm. It's free,
Uh,
right? From recording.
It's like the scholarship
Oh,
event,
yeah, yeah. I know.
And then the third is refreshment. Yeah, refreshing.
Refreshing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Okay. Maybe I think we've done, right? It's already
Yes, it's
okay.
already.
Maybe you can close.
All right. We are at the end now of our topic today. So thank you for you guys who watched this podcast from the beginning, very beginning, until the end. So let's say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you.
Bye.